Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Voice of God, Volume 1. The Lord will step forward and welcome. When the wind blows over the ocean, which is still, small bubbles come up. With the blow of another wind, the bubbles burst. The Lord Paramatma is like the still ocean. Like the bubbles on the ocean, we the Jivas have appeared from the ocean, that is Paramatma, due to the blowing of the wind of Maya, illusion, when the good air, that is the benign glance of the Acharya, falls on us, we, the bubbles, burst and become one with the Paramatma, just as the bubbles disappear in the ocean. The water in the ocean never decreases, it gets vaporized as rains, and the water flows into rivers, tanks, creeks, canals, lakes, wells, etc. But the ocean never becomes dry. New floods do not flow into the ocean. The rivers and lakes which receive water from it may go dry, or there may be floods in these. In summer, household taps go dry. We say there is no water in the Red Hills. During monsoon, we hear of floods in Godavari and breaches in the Kaveri, but not a drop of water has increased or decreased over what existed at the time of creation. Some rich people sell their lands and purchase houses, sell the houses and deposit money in banks and convert the investment in bank deposits into shares, etc. The total assets will not change. Their kind and shape will only change. The sum total of all assets will remain the same. In the same manner, the total water available on the earth shall be in ocean or in clouds or in rivers, lakes, tanks, canals, etc. The Lord Paramatma appears as many things. Even then, like the water in the ocean, there is no change in Him by way of increase or decrease. We get the impression that there is increase and decrease, but when the knowledge that what there is only one, no increase or decrease will be perceived. When the analogy of water is taken to explain the relation between Paramatma and Jivatma, special mention needs to be made about rivers. Water of the ocean becomes the clouds and rains from which lakes, ponds, tanks, etc. receive water. The water in these storages does not again mix with the ocean, but all the rivers flow towards the ocean as if in search of it. There is a river in North India named Sonam, which means red color. This river flows over the red soil. Krishna River is in Andhra Pradesh. Krishna means dark. This river flows over soil which is black. Ganga means white. This name is also derived from the soil over which it flows. All the three rivers merge with the same ocean. Red indicates Rajogunam, the mode of passion. Black indicates Tamogunam, the mode of ignorance. And white indicates Sattvagunam, the mode of goodness. The personality of a Jivatma is directly influenced by the mode to which the mind attaches itself. However, that may be, in the end, mixing with the ocean of Paramatma has to take place. It is said that water finds its own level. It rains on the top of the hills, and rivers originate from these. It flows down with high speed and roaring noise. When it flows over the land, that much noise is not there. Then finally it merges with the ocean, there is no noise at all. That is when the river finds its level, which means that when it finds its level, it becomes absolutely peaceful. In whatever context it may be, only when we know the level and the limit up to which we can go and develop the mental attitude to stop there, there will be peace. Things which are carried beyond the limit with a lot of outward show may create envy in others. But by such acts, the result will be to destroy our own peace. The ocean comes forward to receive the river, which gives up its roar, speed, etc., and approaches it with humility. That is why the river water tastes saltish much before the place of confluence with the ocean. If we also do not exceed the level and proceed with humility, the ocean of Paramatma will come forward, take us, and have us merged with itself. Mahaperiva Charanam.